Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia. I share information to help your transition into the UK to be as smooth as possible. Today, I'll be sharing how to apply for your child's British passport. This video is very important because while filling your application online, there is no option for you to save it and return on a later date or time. This means that you need all your documents to be ready before you start filling the application online. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Let's get into this. First, you Google British passport for child. Then you click on get a passport for your child. As you see here, it says apply for a first child passport. Now, it costs £53.50. Now you can see that there are three things that you can provide: a digital photo of your child, supporting documents, a credit or debit card. Then you can now click on Start Now. The next page, the question is, do you live in the UK? You answer this question and you continue. The next page, you can see it shows you different steps to get your application done. Getting a digital passport, providing application details, find out what documents you need to send, pay for your passport, and then get someone to confirm your identity. So you click on continue. Provide the date of birth of your child here, not your date of birth, please. So you fill in the day, month, and year. Continue here. Then he asks you a question: have you had a UK passport before? You click the right answer. This next page tells you what two ways you can get your a passport. You can either get it from a photo booth or take a digital photo at home. So you click on the continue button down here so that you can proceed to the next page. Next, you answer the question on how you will get a digital photo. This next page shows you the rules. No, use a plain background, no holding of toys, no shadows, don't crop the photo, face front, no glasses, no headwear, no smiling or frowning. Only wear headwear for religious or medical reasons. At the last part of the page, you will click on the continue button. The next page will ask us to upload our picture. I chose my son's picture from my computer, and then it said it was fair, but it took me a long time to get to this stage because for some reason it couldn't accept photos taken against the wall. So I used the window as the light source and placed him on a white sheet to take better photograph. This tip helped me because he's a toddler that moves around a lot. I was happy that the photograph was rated good, and so I could proceed to the next stage. Do you want to submit this photo? Click on yes, this photo meets the rules, then continue. Do you have any passports from other countries? Answer this question correctly. Do you have a naturalization or registration certificate? Answer the question correctly. The next page is apply for your first UK passport, how long it will take, and the fact that you need to confirm your identity. So I just checked how long it will take to get the passport, and it says that it should allow up to 10 weeks from when you receive your old passport, or confirmation of your identity details if needed. It says that you shouldn't plan any urgent travel. Going back to the application page, you click on continue. It says you will need to provide applicant's details, parents' details, and grandparents' details. So you tick I'm ready to continue and click on the continue button. The next page, you have to provide the name of your child. Have you ever used other names? You click on the right answer. Continue to the next page and answer questions about the gender of your child. Then, were you born in the UK? Insert the right answer and the town of birth. Then continue to the next page. It says get ready to provide family details. Click on continue. Then you provide the name, middle names, last name, and date of birth of mother. And then the next page, you provide that of the father and where they married or in a civil partnership. If you say yes, provide date of marriage or civil partnership. Answer the question, did either parent have settled status from the EU settlement scheme when you were born? On the next page, you will need to provide town of birth, country of birth, nationality of parent 1, and also answer the question, do they have a UK passport? After filling these details, you click on continue to move to the next page. You will do the same for parent 2. If the answer is yes to do they have a UK passport, you provide the passport number. On the next page, put in your home address, postcode, and select the house number. Then provide your contact details, which includes your email and phone number. The next page, select how you would want to get updates through email or text updates by providing your mobile number. On the next page, select the size of passport you would like. Please tick the box if you are blind or visually impaired. Click on the green button. Answer the question, what is your relationship to the applicant? Fill in your name. A summary of all the details you've provided in the application form will be on this page. Please make sure they are correct and you don't make any mistake. This page says that you will need to ask someone to check this photo to confirm your identity, and you will need to pay first. This next page tells you the applicant's document and parents' document you need to send. You need to send additional documents if any of the following apply. Click on continue. On the next page, you answer the question, how should we return your documents to you? Secure delivery, standard post. We will send your new passport by secure delivery at no extra cost. At this stage, you can pay for your passport, which costs £53.50. Then you tick on the declaration page and the payment goes through by putting in your credit and debit card details, and then you click on continue. Remember to confirm your payment via your bank so that your payment can go through. Now, after confirming your payment, the next thing it would say is your application has been submitted, and then you have to provide someone to confirm your identity and get your documents ready. Remember that at this stage, you can sign in using the PEX application reference number provided to you. So you can sign in through your email, where you provide your email address and date of birth. Then you can ask someone to confirm your identity. You need to ask someone to confirm your identity. We can't receive your documents until this is done. So at this stage, it's telling you the requirements for the person who will confirm your identity. That is 18 or older, lives in the UK, has a current UK passport, and works in or is retired from a recognized profession. And ask someone to confirm your identity if you are related to them by birth or marriage or in a relationship. At this stage, you're ready to contact the person and enter their name and email address. So at this stage, when you do that, include their first name, last name, email address, and confirm their email address. You are done with this application at this stage, because once the person confirms your identity, you will receive an email or text message so that you can proceed with submitting your documents. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. See you in my next video. Bye.